This video will show you how to create, edit, and use filters. Filters are a feature that allow you to create and save asset views. Once a filter has been named and saved, it will be displayed in the filter drop-down list. This filter can be displayed at any time or used to edit and recreate another filter. Let's launch Trimble Asset Manager. Click Manage Assets and Assets from the drop-down list. Click Add Filter next to the Filters drop-down. Ask yourself what you are looking for. Let's look for attachments. So I'll name my filter Attachments. From the Category drop-down, we'll select Attachments. Scroll to the bottom and select Accept. Scroll to the bottom of the screen to get a record count, and you'll see you have 49 pieces of equipment. Let's create another filter. Now I'm looking for my backhoe equipment. Let's do Add Filter and create backhoe buckets. From the drop-down list, let's select Attachments. From Subcategory, we have a lot of different backhoe sections, but let's go ahead and do Backhoe Bucket. Scroll to the bottom and just click Accept. Notice that you now have 18 assets in the result grid. If the list was long, you can further narrow your search. So let's edit the filter this time, and let's add a make. We'll select Wainwright. Go to the bottom and click Accept. Now you see you have 13 assets. It went from 18 to 13. Let's scroll over to the right to see the results in the grid. We have last sensed and we have description. Let's add one or more custom fields. Click on Columns and let's turn on Ownership, Serial Number, and Equipment and click Accept. Now scroll to the bottom and scroll over to the right, and you'll see that 2 of these attachments are owned and 1 is rented. To further narrow the results, let's edit the filter again. This time let's select CAT as the manufacturer. Scroll to the bottom and click Accept. Now we see we have 1 asset. Scrolling over to the right, it's a rented asset. So maybe we were looking for how many CAT backhoe buckets are rentals so we can return one of the rented items. Let's turn off our extra columns and click Accept. To delete a filter, select the filter you want to delete and select the Edit button. Scroll to the bottom and select Delete. And delete again. And now that filter is gone from the drop-down list. Now explore using the filter feature to quickly find the assets you are searching for. Remember, you can delete these at any time. That brings us to the end of this session. Please continue on with other training videos.